Hi everybody, this is my Total Gym workout. This is a Total Gym like Chuck Norris uses. They're like about $400 at Amazon.com. Start off with the stretch. Just like this, all the way to the side, all the way to the side, gently, gently. Hurdle stretch, thigh stretch, thigh stretch. Guess you can kind of twist it like this if you want stuff. And then I paid $200 for mine, but that was several years ago. I recommend, when I first bought it, I recommend removing this. It disconnects right here and then it slides off. You watch how I slide it on, how it slides off. That way, because when you open it up, it won't damage these little wheels. That's what I found. So first remove this board and then open up your frame. It slides on like this, on and on. And this is where it connects, right here. That's where you connect and disconnect. And shoot, do that. Okay. Just start off gently like this. I got it set a little lower than I used to, just to demonstrate. So what you can do is I do boom, 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 boom. Now I just feel my way through. That's what I like about the Total Gym. You can just feel your way through. Hit all kinds of angles. You don't have to hit the same angle. Or you can just be, real rote like this. And usually that's what I just do. Hit all kinds of angles. That's what I like about it. Then the back. I call this pulsing. Pulse, pulse. Don't go through free range of motions because of the way the machine is designed. I just kind of like feel it with my body. Pulse, pulse, pulse. And this a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Then I do this. Boom, boom, boom. And see where my feet are? That's calf raises right there, your lower legs for your calf. Boom, 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 boom. Then I grab hold of the top like this. Pull-ups. There's your pull-ups right there. You don't need a pull-up bar. Technically, if you got this, but I do like the pull-up bar for the knee raises. And slide down here for handstand push-ups or military press. Boom, 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 boom. Right. And here you go. Pullovers, I think they call this. Chuck Norris really likes this exercise. Boom, boom, boom. Plus you do like dips. Right here, dips. 1, 2. Pullovers, right? And then what I do is I usually get on my knees like this. And do chest exercises. Boom, 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 boom. Close together, wider, close together, wider. Chest exercise. Just kind of feel my way through whatever my body likes, position it likes the best. Then I put my head down like this and do like, what do you call these? Standing, I'm not sure what to call them, but it works great with this machine. Basically, for your shoulders. Right? And then I turn around like this on my knees. And do the pulsing. You just hit angle, whatever your body feels like. Angle, angle, angle. You do crossovers. Angle, angle. And then I pop up. And do angle there too. And let me grab another piece real quick. Be right back. Okay, I usually don't do this, but I'll just go ahead and demonstrate as a something else, something you might want to consider. I don't know how good of an idea it is. I have a dumbbell weight bench with built-in leg curl, leg extension. I think that helps my knee. When my knee gets a little weak, I'll do some leg curls and leg extension on my dumbbell weight bench with built-in leg curl, leg extension. But this, if you want to do it, I rarely do this. I rarely do this. But if you wanted something, to try something different or whatever, you just lock your feet in there. I think they call these leg pulls, or I guess you could call them reverse squats. I would go very gently on this because this is, I don't know, it's a kind of a different exercise. I don't know how I trust it. But some people may like it. They may benefit from it. Who knows? I just, like I said, I like using my knee starts to give me a little trouble. I've got a dumbbell weight bench with built-in leg curl, leg extension, which I do the knee, leg extensions and the leg curls for my knee, but whatever. Thanks for watching, guys.